Imagine being able to use plain English to describe an app and then having a whole app being developed. Imagine using plain English and describing a website and then having a whole website being developed for you. Well, don't imagine anymore, because that's what Buzzy's doing with the power of generative AI. I'm Josh Rowe, and I'm the Chief Product Officer at Form, a modern consulting business. We partner with Buzzy, who specializes in low-code, no-code solutions. And I'm excited about what Buzzy is producing, because we already partner with Buzzy to produce and deliver low-code, no-code solutions. And adding in generative AI will mean that we can then deliver faster and quicker solutions to our clients, and means that we can get things in the hands of their clients and their customers faster and easier than before.